Hello, hello, crafty friends. Just jumping on real quick, I wanted to do an unboxing video. So as you know, I was a prior close to my heart maker. I'm now a Stampin' Up demonstrator. So what that means is I have to start building up my stock again of their products, their tools, so that I can show them properly, and as I'm designing, everything's proper. So through this, I will share everything that I'm buying, but I'm not buying everything all at one time. So I do have several other orders out there, but this week 2 did come in. So I just want to show you what I've been picking up. So first, I did get the new In Colors, the Summer Splash. These colors are great. I was playing with some of them yesterday. Shamrock for my class this month. Using all the new colors. Pretty in Pink, Peach Pie, and Petunia Pop. This one is awesome. Okay, so those are the new colors. Then I also, because I'm going to some training this month, we needed certain colors for some fall projects we're gonna learn. So I did get the Copper Clay. I also got Mossy Meadow, Basic Beige, Petal Pink, and Misty Moonlight. So these are the ink pads that I did pick up. Now I'm going to still be using my close to my heart ink pads, but if I'm doing a project that calls for the colors that I do have now in Stampin' Up, I'm going to be using those. All right, so those are the ink pads so far that I have picked up. Now, the markers I also picked up. So let's go through the markers. Now, the markers come in a 2-pack. So you get a dark and a light. I have one open, the ones I was playing with. So let me show you that. So this is the Pretty in Pink. So there is a light and a dark. And I'm going to tell you what I love about these. So on the light, you have, well, both ends. One is more like a pointed edge. Do they have a name for them, what they call them? No. And these are alcohol-based inks, and they work best with your Memento ink. And then the brush tip. I don't know about you, but I really love coloring with brush tips. Some of my tri-blends that I have, I'll just show you this. This wasn't from close to my heart. We sold tri-blends, but I had gotten some that were brush tip, so I do like to color with them. So I'm super excited these have a brush tip. So you get a light and a dark for each color. So I did pick up all of the, so as I get an ink pad, I'm also getting the coordinating marker. So I got the Pretty in Pink. I did pick up all the 2024 In Color colors. I don't know where here's my Peach Pie. So that's the 2024. And then I also got dark Copper Clay. This is the color lifter. So I'm going to learn how to use this. I haven't played with that yet. I also got light shaded Spruce, dark cherry cobbler, and I have a solution for these that I'll post in my private group. If you're not part of my private group, you definitely want to be a part of that. I share lots of inspiration. There's games in there, do happy mail, there's prize drawings for anyone who places an order for me throughout the month. And I'll link my group either at the top of this post or in the comments. This is bronze and ivory. So in this pack, you get a bronze and an ivory, and then I think this is the black. Yes, the dark black and the light black. So I have lots more markers on the way. So that's my markers right now. I picked up linen thread. I got this color pack and this color pack. So one other thing I'm excited about using Stampin' Up products is they have lots more embellishments, ribbons, things like that. So I picked up the threads, but I got to play with doing my bows. I also got these flat adhesive back pearls. They're super shiny. Love those. And then these adhesive back gems. They have 3 colors in them. Does it give the colors? No, maybe on the front. No, but it's like silver, black, and gold. They're beautiful. Okay, so some recent stamp sets I got. I did pick up Country Flowers. I also got the thin cuts that coordinate with that. We'll look at those. Those are all the thin cuts. And I also picked up Labeled with Love. So I guess you can see what my upcoming classes are going to be based on the things that I'm ordering. And this is a great way for you to try products too by taking part in my kits, because I send you the papers and maybe some little embellishments, not the Stampin' Thin Cuts, but at least you get to see all that. I also got these Petal Pink and Pretty Peacock. They're foiled gems. They're kind of cool. I also got Labeled with Love. So I picked this one up in the stamp, but instead of the thin cut, I'm doing the punch with this one. So I got the punch. And I have 2 huge orders on the way. So next week, there'll be a big unboxing order. So I want to show you what I'm doing for paper right now. So this is the 2024-26. This is all the in colors. I did pick up the 12 by 12, right? I'm not going to pull them all out. But how I'm storing my 12 by 12 Stampin' Up cardstock right now is I did buy a lot of these from Close to My Heart when they were on sale. These were those paper envelopes. So I have, I don't know, like 30 of these. I'm going to eventually put all the cardstocks into here. So that's what I'm doing, my large cardstock. And I did pick up a paper pack, and I'll show you how I'm storing the individual paper packs while I have them out and I'm playing and creating with them. So this is the Country Lace. Again, this will be in some upcoming card kits that you see me create. I think I'm going to use this one for the one with all the flowers. So pretty. Oh, love that. Cool. So how I'm storing my paper packs, because this is how they come with Stampin' Up. So you can find these all over the internet. These are from Totally Tiffany. I've had these for years, and this is what I'm doing right now. So I'm taking the whole thing, I'm keeping that little cardboard packing on it, and I'm just keeping these in here. They fit perfectly. I'm like breaking mine. I pushed the thing a little bit. But it fits in here perfectly. It's okay that I ripped that right there. And now I have, so you can get these on Amazon or Totally Tiffany. So this is what I'm doing. I have a paper holder storage solution by, I forgot that company, what the name of it is. 31 I think it is. And I have them on my desk just standing up for now while I'm currently using it. But then I have lots of these here in my closet. Again, I have the Totally Tiffany one. I have the Amazon ones that all these things sit in. So after I'm done with the paper collection, it'll just go in here for storage in one of these things. If you want any of these items, if you're watching, just message me or put a comment and I will link it. Some of the things on Amazon that I have purchased. And I think, did I show you everything? Oh, and then my 8.5 by 11 storage. Let me just show you some of this and what I'm doing, because some of them I'm purchasing. I'm eventually going to purchase all of the packs individually, right? I'm definitely going to do that. But so I'm starting to build that collection, and I'll show you how I'm storing this. So I did pick up a whole pack of Basic Beige and Copper Clay. But just in the meantime, so I can start working with the colors and coordinating them with my Close to My Heart. But again, it is quite hard for me. But for you, definitely, you have your paper already from Close to My Heart. You're stashed up. You don't need to buy this, but I do. So I'm picking it up by the whole collection. Supples. This is 8.5 by 11, and it has all of, I believe there's 10 colors to each collection. So it has, I think it's 4 sheets of each in here. It doesn't say, but just quickly without me looking, or 6? I'm not sure. I don't remember. Let's open one real quick and look. So I don't want to give wrong information, but so 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, it's 2. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yep. So there's 2 of each color. So this is just a great way to try the paper out. And you'll see with Stampin' Up, a lot of demos out there, they make their own cards using the colored cardstock. And this is how you create those, because you just do one cut down the middle. So this is 8.5. So if you cut it this way at 4 1/4, you'll have 2 cards that fold over. I think I have one this way right here. Hold on, here's an example. So you'll have, I forgot, I had cards right here. You'll have this card that way. Now, if you want the regular A2 size card, then you cut your paper this way and score that way. So you can, this is how they're making all of the A2 size cards that you have no waste to do with 8.5 by 11 paper. So I picked up the Subtles collection. Like I said, I also got a full shaded spruce, and then I picked up neutrals for right now. I also have coming the in color and a few more of them. So I have I think there's 4 different collections of the color collections. And how I'm storing these, so it's hard for me to show you, but you know how we all have those cubbies, and then you buy these, if you could try to see, you know, those storage boxes. These are like, I don't know, 13 by 13 or 12.5 by 12.5, and they go inside your cubbies. So this paper fits perfectly in them. And like you see, I already have 8.5 by 11. I've always purchased Stampin' Up 8.5 by 11 paper. So I'm just going to be adding to there of all the newer colors. So, all right. Hopefully I showed you everything. I gave you some ideas. Let me see if I had any questions. If not, you know, like I said, you can always reach out to me through Messenger or leave a comment here in this post. All right, ladies, have a wonderful Sunday, and yeah, talk to you soon. Bye.